The start of the trip photo. If you ever wanted to see an elk's booty. And Andrea left me a happy birthday present. Yeah, baby. With the world in lockdown, I needed a responsible getaway that can tap into my inner source of adventure. I was told by my friend Chris Rebuck that a secret stretch of coastline was uninterrupted by human civilization. You can tell from these shots that it's something special. Our journey started just a few days before. All right, we're on the road, finally. What were the obstacles? So many obstacles with getting food, getting packaging, getting all the supplies. It is not easy to get things right now. The start of the trip photo. Woo! The end of the trip photo. The end of the trip photo, like, everybody in. 6 o'clock. We got here at 5. It took us an hour to pack our bags.
Don't worry, we're gonna make it.
6 o'clock. We're gonna make it. We only have 6 miles.
That's far.
You guys feeling the magic? Oh man, what an amazing place. This place is pretty epic.
Oh my God, this is beautiful! Woo!
Guys, it's an elk. Do you see it? There it is. Right there's the elk's ass. If you ever wanted to see an elk's booty, you know what you want to see? An elk booty, and there it is. Amazing.
Let's pause for a moment of silence for the elk.
All the people in the country are probably like, oh, they're just like cows. They're amazing. Don't let them tell you. You're beautiful. Can we just comment about how amazing this purple pack is with Bruce? Show us the beauty of this outhouse, sir. You don't have to take your bag. Guys, I just want to say that we have not seen a single soul out here. What's the pole technique, Bruce? Give me the pole technique.
Single track. This is double track.
And there you have it, folks, for very friendly advice from Bruce. If you ever want to hike like Bruce and be really sore tomorrow, just follow his instructions. So we just finished setting up our tent. It took us a minute because it's our first time, and then guess what Andrea found?
Lo and behold, these smarty pants. Directions for setting up
in the bag.
Tent.
There's something about coming out into nature and recalibrating yourself with the sun that I love. When you get to sit and enjoy the sunset perched on a cliff. And it begins, the first sunset, a beautiful one. With all the chaos in the world, I realized that very few people were talking about time outside. It's literally the most socially distanced thing we can do. And when you're done looking at that beautiful sunset, just here is the moon. Amaze. Amaze. This is just day one, guys. Just day one. So you have the moon, and then you turn around, and then you have the sunset. Whoa. We all need this time outside. A time to relearn how to be in nature. Perhaps if we all got more time outside, we'd be more accepting of each other. Even more important than the getaway might just be the digital detox. A time away from the chaos that we've created with our modern devices. This place gave us a space for just that. A place where we could sit and be kids, play outside, explore the beach, reflect, and take time for ourselves. The animals here, they didn't care what was going on in the news. They only cared about the present. Here, the only thing that matters are the people that you're with and the mission at hand.
And we push on.
This is
What a gorgeous hike. Minus the bushwhacking. The bushwhacking, I could have gone, you know, if you have, that's the treacherous territory we need to go through. So be it. So be it. I was like, there's gotta be an epic vista lookout to have lunch. And sure enough, we found it.
This stretch of coastline is untouched by roads or civilization. Truly an amazing sight, where I thank the bureaucracies of our ancestors who would have wanted to make this a part of the Great Highway, but were unsuccessful.
Here we go, Bruce. Make me proud.
The trail is by no means easy, and we might have been the first people on it in a few months. After 5 hours of hiking over and under trees, across an amazing redwood grove.
The hike was very difficult. We had a whole lot of bushwhacking. There was a lot of lawn mowing that we were doing with our bodies. Another beach!
It was here, at this beach, that we found Chris and Jen, who arrived just the night before.
So here we are, on a beach in the middle of nowhere, California. With all the things going wrong in the world, there are still things to be grateful for.
Pro tip, if you're going backpacking, get a water filter. My suggestion, especially with a group this size, is to use a LifeStraw Gravity.
I couldn't have expected a better way to spend my 35th birthday. Thanks Dre and Bruce, thanks Reebok. Thank you all for joining me on this amazing adventure. This has been an unexpected treat. To be able to get away, be in the middle of nowhere, have an entire beach to myself and my friends. I'm very grateful right now. Today I'm grateful for friends that are willing to come into the wilderness with me. Friends that know where to go in the wilderness and the opportunity and resources to be able to be here.
What we have here is savory pancakes with smoked mussels. That's right.
Eat your heart out, Reebok.
We enjoyed pancakes that Andrea trekked in just for my birthday. And what better way to end the evening than campfire? The original TV.
Oh, that's cool. Good picture.
I couldn't have thought of a better way to have a birthday than to wake up to this view with two amazing people. And Andrea left me a happy birthday present.
The forecast predicted rain for both days at this beach. So I'm glad we didn't listen to the weatherman, because we only ended up with 1 hour of rain while we sipped coffee before our departure.
This is what happens when it rains. Bruce is in our hotel.
Big Agnes, thank you. Welcome. First
Coffee
class.
inside today.
First class people.
Here is the bed, and here is
5 stars.
the landing area.
5 stars.
Pretty awesome. Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! Goodbye, beautiful, majestic beach. We will miss you. We have a 4-mile hike, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you got to bushwhack as much as we have. Oh yeah, stealth, dude, stealth. So graceful. This area is overgrown with a lot of poison oak. I actually have a little poison oak in my arms. And like that's the difficulty. It's really easy to lose the trail. It's really difficult to follow the trail unless you know what you're doing. We're almost there. We all got so much out of this 4-day trek. It's the little things like enjoying the most epic sunset on the edge of a cliff that make you remember how amazing life is. Thanks, Bruce and Andrea, for an amazing trip. And thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. I have more videos coming your way soon. How good is the sunset, guys?
Epic.
Oh my God! You can tell by how well I'm lit that this thing is amazing. Oh, and in case you were wondering, this is my birthday cake.
That's right.
Made by campfire. This is a public service announcement.
Pan down. Pan down.
Why did you pull them up? What's wrong with you? Just a public announcement. Please put the damn toilet seat down, okay, people? Put the toilet seat down when you're at an outhouse. This is for all the newbie people out there that don't know the etiquette of putting the toilet seat down at an outhouse.